If you don't have the now bar in the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy A17, even though you are actually running an app in the background that is compatible with the now bar, then what you can do is you can open the settings, and first we're gonna go to notifications and open lock screen notifications. We need to make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled. And now if we go to the lock screen, as you can see, we do indeed have the now bar visible. However, in some cases, you might not see the app fully working. It might say like something like a timer, stopwatch, voice recorder, etc. So you won't be able to control these apps from the now bar. In that case, the reason why this happens is due to the hidden content. So you want to make sure that the content is shown at least for these apps that should be working with the now bar, because over here in these settings you can actually hide the content for specific apps. So for example, you want to make sure that the content of clock is enabled, or the voice recorder, and every other app that is synchronized with the now bar. And last but not least, what you can also do is go back to the main page of settings, and this time we're gonna open lock screen and open now bar and make sure that live notifications over here are actually enabled for the now bar. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.